Hi everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning guys. Very good morning all of you. So we'll be continuing our discussion on which one? We'll be starting the PYQs solution, you can say. GATE PYQs of the General Aptitude, Quantitative Aptitude, right? Every alternate day we'll be doing. How are you all? So after a long time we'll be meeting with these Quantitative Aptitude questions, all of you. Everyone, how are you? All of you, how are you? Right, Tasneem, only you joined. No other is there? Right, okay, very good. So Tasneem, yeah, very good morning. Right, so we'll be discussing which one is a GATE PYQs of quantitative aptitude alternate days, right? Monday, Wednesday and Friday we'll be discussing which one is quantitative aptitude questions in this DEG channel, you can say, all of you. Right. So this GATE PYQs of this general aptitude, quantitative aptitude, we'll see for all branches, right? Not only for civil, it is for all branches, you can say, physics, right? Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Ready to crack? Ready to crack? Yes, Rakesh, good morning. So what is that referral code you have to use, right? This is the referral code you have to use always, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, right? Whenever you are going for subscription, and you just recommend this referral code to all your friends, juniors and everybody, those who are willing to take the subscription, okay? Right. So if you are on Unacademy, you wanted to follow my profile, you just click on this, or you can just go through which one, this scan this QR code, right? Whenever you are scanning this QR code, you will be redirected to my profile, you can say. So there you can find all my free classes in the Unacademy. Yeah, Jisnasri, good morning. So what is the referral code? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, na? Is that no? So these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy, you can say, and the strength of material is missing here. Right, it is going on now, na? Now, so at present this price drop of 52% is there. Those who are willing to complete your preparation for this GATE 2022, sorry, GATE 2023 and GATE 2024, for both 23 and 24 GATE, you just subscribe 12 months plus 3 months, right? 15 months plus this 3 months, right? You'll be getting which one? This at 52% lesser cost, you can say. So don't miss this opportunity. So this opportunity will not come again, right? Within that last 1.5 years, this is the first time they have given for this 52% off, right? Inform to your juniors and everybody, don't miss this offer. So if you are unable to pay the entire fee at a time, that no cost EMI option at 0% interest is also available, you can say, right? Now these are the new batches, right? Udan batch will be starting on November 24th. Use the referral code RPC, all of you, right? Don't miss this. So this is another batch, right? Crack GATE batch for this GATE 2023 was started on October 14. Transportation engineering is going on in that, and I'll be starting the surveying after that, you can say. So are you all participating in this compete gamified battlefield? So you will participate and you will come to know about your strength, and you can give challenge to others also, right? So this is what, right? And again, this Unacademy Light test series, right? Unacademy Light test series for this GATE and ESE, these branches. It is a 60 plus a test will be there available for all branches. So RP Civil is the code you have to use, and subscribe to this 4 months, and at 499. This is not even a cost of which one? This is one movie watching in the multiplex, right? So 150 rupees or 200 rupees for which one? A cinema ticket, right? And 200 rupees for which one? Your popcorn, you can say, right? Like that, 200 rupees for cool drink, right? 600 rupees will be over, and if your two pairs are going, this is for it will become much lesser, na? So it is lesser than that cost, you can say. So what is that code you have to use? RP Civil is the code you have to use. Yeah. So these are the steps to be followed for getting this physical notes at your doorstep, all of you. And those who are in a confusion which one to be taken, plus or iconic, you just read these features. Whichever is suitable for you, try to select it, right? Whichever the features you need, you just select according to that, you can say, right? Now crash course on transportation going on, complete course on the strength of materials, these two are going on, all of you. Now coming to this free courses, all of you, observe carefully. GATE PYQ series of general aptitude, all branches, right? All branches general aptitude GATE PYQs I'll be taking. 16th onwards it is started, right? Every Monday will be there, Wednesday will be there, and Friday will be there at 9 a.m. to this 9:30 a.m. It is not 10 a.m. 9 a.m. to which one? This 9:30 a.m. half an hour 45 minutes will take, right? It is starting today. And tomorrow onwards, what I'll be doing? GATE PYQs of this highway engineering we have stopped in between now. So that will be done on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. One day special class and one day which one? This YouTube class, right? It will be starting tomorrow, you can say. Okay, all of you don't miss this. Now coming to this, right, quantitative aptitude and analytical aptitude, if you just observe, so this is what the weightage you can say, right? Number system 2022 1, 2021 2, 3, 4, 5 marks, right? 4 marks, right? Like that, different years, different marks they have given, right? And verbal ability, these are the weightage you can say, right? Now coming to this lecture 1, GATE PYQs 2010 to this 2017 will be starting in today, will be doing in today's class. Day after tomorrow's class 2018 to 2022 will do. Okay, so don't miss this. Quantitative aptitude, number systems, and a numbers part will be doing it here. Number systems, if you just observe, these are the topics will be involved in this number system, you can say. And from the numbers part, you have got 27 previous questions, all of you. And properties of simplification, 4 questions you are getting, right? Ages and averages, that 5 questions will be getting if you just, right? These are the questions distribution from this topic, you can say, everyone, right? So shall I start the poll of you? Yes. So I will be starting this timer, all of you. You just start this, everyone. I will be starting this timer, everyone. Solve this. Write the question number and answer, all of you. Okay, write the question number and answer within this time. You cannot select the answer, you have to write your option in the comment box, right? Chat box, right? That is only possible here. Yes, na? Tasneem said option A. Any other answer by others? 40 seconds more time. No other answer? Right. Time up, guys. Right. Time up, everyone. Okay. Now we'll be going to solve this question of you. Don't worry about this. We will be solving it. So how can you solve this? If you just observe, you can say, everyone. What is that question given? If 137 plus this 276 is equal to that 435, then how much is that 731 plus this 672, right? So that is a question given if you just observe, right? Actually, if you just observe, 137 plus this 276, is it equal to 435? 200, 300, so 374. It is not 435, na? It is not 435, right? So then what they have done? Is it a direct summation they have done, or it is not the direct summation they have done? If you just observe, they have done that direct summation, or they have not done that direct summation. If you just say, all of you, direct summation is not done by this now. So whenever that direct summation is not done, right, what you can understand, indirect summation is done, right? How this indirect summation is done, you can say, if you just observe how this indirect summation is done, everyone. So that is important, right? So how this indirect summation is done, that is very, very important to be identified, you can say, right? So because before 2010 there was no aptitude questions, all of you. Before 2010, which one? there were no aptitude questions, right? Only after 2000, only from 2010 onwards, these aptitude questions were there, all of you, right? So don't miss this, everyone, right? So here, this is a addition on which base, you can say, if you just observe. So what is that given here? If you just observe that 137 plus this 276, right? 137 plus this 276 will be equal to which one? 435, right? 435. So this is an addition on base 8, you can say, right? What is this? You can say this is an addition, right? Don't worry, I'll be writing that full solution, right? Okay, addition on which one? This base 8. This is the addition on this base 8, you can say, right? So hence, similarly, what is that you can say, whenever it is on that base 8, how can you get this on the base 8, you can say, everyone? What is the meaning of this base 8? What is the meaning of this base 8? If you just observe, units digit, if you just observe, what is the meaning of this base 8? You can say base will be getting it as 8. So units digit, if you just observe, this is 7, this is 16. So what is that? Take the units digit position. What is that units digit position you can take? Units digit position if you take, right, what is that you can say? That is your 7 plus 16 is equal to 13, right? So 13, right? So 13 if you just observe, right? So 13. Then next, what is that a remainder? What is that a remainder, you can say it, right? What is that a remainder? Remainder of this 13 by 8 is how much? What is that a remainder of 13 by 8? So this kind of questions we have to do it based on this addition of base 8, right? So what is that a remainder of 13 by base 8? 8, 13, 8 ones are 8, and what is that a remainder you will be getting? That is your 5 is the remainder you will be getting, na? Yes or no? 5 is the remainder you will be getting if you just observe, right? 5 is the remainder you will be getting if you just observe, right? Yes, now. So similarly, what is that you can say, everyone? So 5 is the remainder you will be getting if you just observe, right? So next, what are the next digits if you just observe? This is your 7 and 6 over. Next, what is that we have to consider, right? Tenths digit you consider, units digit. Whenever you are considering this tenths digit, what is that tenths digit summation, you can say? That is your 7 and 3, right? 3 and 7 are the tenths digit now. So 3 plus 7 plus we have to consider this 1 from this, na? Yes or no? 1 you have to consider from this 13, na? Carry from this 13, right? So what is that you can get? This is equal to that 11, right? So now tell me, what is that a remainder of this? Remainder of this 11 by 8. So what is that a remainder of this 11 by 8, everyone? 11 if you just observe, sorry, this is your 11 and this is your 8, right? 8 ones are 8. So what is that you can say? That is your 3, you can say if you just observe, right? What is that you are getting? It is your 3, na? It is your 3, right? It is your 3. So now similarly, what is that you can get it if you just observe? So hundreds digit, right? What is that hundreds digit if you just observe? Hundreds digit will be equal to which one? This, which one is that hundreds digit you are having, everyone? So that is your 1 you are having and this is your 2, right? What is that you can say? 1 plus 2 plus what is that? 1 will be there from this this one, na? Yes or no? 1 will be there from this one, na? Yes or no? So this 11, from this 11 if you carry, what is that it will become, right? How much it comes to be? 1 plus 2 plus 1, it becomes this 4, na? So now tell me, what is that a remainder? Remainder of this 4 by this 8 is how much? It is 4 only, no? 8 zeros are 8, it is 4, you can say, right? It is 4, you can say if you just, right? So what is it given? 137 with respect to this base 8 plus this 276 with respect to this base 8 is equal to that 435 to the base, which one? This 8 you will be getting, right? So basically the numbers are given in which one? This octal base, right? Base 8 means octal base, you can say, right? So similarly, what is that you can get it if you just observe? Similarly, what is that you can get it if you just observe? 534, na? Similarly, what is that you can get for this if you just observe? What is that you can say? 731. 731 correspond to the base 8 plus what is the second one, you can say 672, right? 672 to the base which one, this 8, right? It is equal to how much you'll be getting. So that number correspond to this octal base, everyone. So in the similar manner you can get this, or not all of you? In the similar manner you can get this now. In the similar manner, how can you get this if you just observe, everyone? So units 1, right? This units 1 is there in the units position. This tens remainder will be in the tens position. This hundreds remainder will be in the hundreds position. You can say if you just observe, right? Isn't it, everyone? So similarly, if you do the similar operation, right? Can you able to get this, or you will not be able to get this, right? So you will be able to get this if you are doing the similar operation, right? How can you do this similar operation, everyone? You can say units digit if you just consider. Units digit, right? What is that units digit? We can say it is your 1 plus 2 na. 1 plus 2 is equal to how much, everyone? 3. So then what is that a remainder? What is that a remainder of this 3 by this 8, right? What is that, you can say it is equal to how much? It is equal to 3 na, everyone. It is equal to 3 or not? Yes, it is equal to 3, right? So what is that units digit? It will be 3. And tenths digit, if you just observe, what is that a tenths digit, you can say, everyone? What is the tenths digit, you can say? Tenths digit, if you just observe, what are the two digits? This is 7 is there, this is 3 is there now. So this is your 3 plus 7, right? So 3 plus 7 is equal to which one? This 10, right? 3 plus 7 is equal to which one? This 10, you can say, right? 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, right? So here 0, 3 is there. So 3 plus 7 plus how much we can add? So from the previous one in the tens digit, anything is there? From the previous one in the tens digit, this is in the units digit, this is in the tens digit now. So that is your 0 you are having, right? So what is that, you can say this is your 10. So now tell me, what is that a remainder of this 10 by this 8? How much it comes to be? This is a 2 na. So no, this is a 2 or not? Yes, this is a 0, 2 or 2 you are getting, right? Yes, na. And hundreds the digit, if you just observe, you can say what is that hundreds digit? This is your 7 and this is your 6 na. So 7 plus 6, and from the previous one it is a 0 only, no? From the previous one it is 0 only, no? This is the 100, this is the tens digit, means this is the hundreds digit na. 0 will be the hundreds digit, right? So how much it comes to be? That comes to be this 13 na. That comes to be which one? This 13 or not? Yes, that comes to be 13, you can say, right? What is that a remainder of this 10? Sorry, remainder of this 13, right? Remainder of this 13 by this 8, how much it comes to be? What is that remainder, you can say? What is it, you can say? So there is only one number with this 2, 3 at the end, right? There is only one number with this 2, 3 at the end, right? What is that one number, you can say? This is your which one? Only one number at the 2, 3. So because this 3 will come in the units digit, na? 3 will come in the, because this 3 will come in the units digit and this 2 will come in the tens digit. And what will be there in the, so this is your 5, you can say, right? This is your 5, you can say, if you just observe, right? This is your 5, you can say, right? Now, so it is your which one? It is your which one, you can say? That is your 523 has to come, right? Is there any option with this 523, all of you? Is there any option with this 523? Base 8, right? These kind of questions are following which one? This octal, right? These kind of questions are following which one? This octal base property only, right? So if the summation is not exactly matching and there will be some other thing you are getting now, then you can say that they are following this octal base only, right? Okay, octal base only, if you just right, octal base only, you can say, right? So 7 octal base only, you can say it is, right? Octal base only, you can say, right? Yeah. 1 is added in the tens digit, right? Okay, where is that 1 you are having, right? This is 0, 1 is added, this is 13 na. So this is 0, 3, if you just observe it, 0, 3 means here actually 13 is there, this is 3 in the sorry, so this is 5 na. Okay, sorry, this is 5 na, this is 5. 1 is added in this tens digit or something. No, in the hundreds digit 1 is added, in the hundreds digit 1 is added, right? Not here. So here this is your 13 na. This is your 13, right? From this 13, this 1 is added here, right? So from 13, from that 13 it is added here, and this one is from this 11 na, first digit of this 11, right? First digit from this 11. Here also from this 03, so reminded by this is from 03 it is added, right? This is 10th means, right? What we need to add? Here we have to add 1, right? Hundredths digit, yes, hundredths digit. What we need to add? 1 we have to add for this hundredths digit, you can say. So whenever you are adding 1 for this hundredths digit, what is it comes to be? 1 for this hundredths digit, right? What it comes to be? 1 for this hundredths digit, when you are adding, what it comes to be? So 7, so 7 plus 7, right? What is that you are getting? That is your 14 you are getting now. So 14 you will be getting, if you just right, 14 you will be getting, right? Then what is that a remainder of this one you will be getting, all of you? Remainder of this 14 by 8, right? What is that a remainder of this 14 by 8 equal to how much, you can say, everyone? So that is 6, right? So the number comes to be which one, everyone? If you just observe, that number comes to be which one? This what is that a number comes to be? If you just observe, 623 na. 623 is the number comes to be na. Yes or no? 623 will be the number comes to be, right? So what is that? Which one is having that 623 as it? So whenever you are having this, right, here 1 is there na. So then what is that a thousandths digit, you can say? In case of this a thousandths digit, so the first number 0731, 0 is there, plus this what is that 0672, 0 is there, plus from this 14, what is that 1 is there na. So then what is that a remainder of this 1 by this 1? Remainder of this 1 by this 8 will be equal to what is that, you can say? That is 1, you can say, right? So what is that final number? It is your 1623 it comes to be now. So 1623 comes into picture now. Is that clear, everyone? Now 1623 is the correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? How to solve this question, all of you? Is that clear, everyone? How to solve this? Is that clear, everyone? How to call this? How to calculate this? Everyone clear now? Right. So shall I move to the next question of you? Right, here why we are not going for the thousandths digit? Because in this it is 0 only, no? Even if you calculate, that 0 only will come before that 4 na. 0435 only will come na. So even if you go for the thousandths digit here, that is also the same thing, you can say, is na. Now solve this question, all of you. I'll be starting the poll of you, everyone. So I'll be starting the timer. Solve this, everyone. I think 10 questions only we may complete it today. I don't think so. Write the question number and answer. Octal base, right? Basically the numbers are in the octal base, right? That is your octal base condition, you can say. Okay. Right. Yeah. Any other answers? Shall I start the again? Okay. So what is that? If a prime number is on a division by 4 gives a remainder of this 1, then that a number can be expressed as which one? How can you express that number? So just for an example, right? Just for an example, you consider, what is the example? 17 will be equal to that 4 square plus this 1 square na. Just for an example, right? It is a prime number, right? What are the prime numbers you are having? 1, 3, 5, 7. So 11, again 13, 17. These are the prime numbers you are having now. So if you just take one prime number, right? Sum of the squares of these two natural numbers, right? So sum of these two natural numbers, right? Sum of the squares of these two natural numbers, right? Sum of these cubes root of these two natural numbers, right? So what is that, you can say? Sum of squares of these two natural numbers, sum of this square roots of these two natural numbers. So which one is correct, you can say, if you just observe it? then that prime number can be expressed as which one? How can you express this prime number? If a prime number on a division by this 17 gives a remainder of this one, right? So if a prime number divisible, whenever it is divided by this 4 gives a remainder of this one, then that number can be expressed as, right? How can you express that number? Sum of the squares of these two natural numbers, sum of the cubes, right? So can you express this sum of the squares? Sum of the squares, right? This is your 1 square plus this, which one? This 2 square, na? Can you say sum of the squares of these two natural numbers, right? What is that? You can see if you just observe, this is 6, so this is 17. How can you express? You can say that is your sum of this squares of these two natural numbers, right? 4 square plus this 1 square, right? 4 square is 16, and this is what, right? So what is your answer? Correct answer, you can say sum of the cubes will come, or sum of the square roots or cube roots? No, sum of the squares only will come, na? So is it possible to express them in the form of sum of the cubes? Is it possible to express in the form of the sum of the cubes? Is it possible? 1 cube plus this 2 cube 8, okay? So it is not possible, no? Yes or no? It is not possible, right? So 1 cube plus this 2 cube, it will become 9, right? That 9 will be which one? This so will not be getting, right? So which one is the correct answer? Sum of this squares only correct answer, na? Sum of this squares of this natural numbers only will be the correct answer, you can say. Is that clear, everyone? Just to take the example and do this all of you, right? So now, so I'll be starting the poll, starting this timer, all of you try to solve this third question. This is GATE 2013 CE question, right? All branches I'm covering, you just try to bring all your friends also from other branches also, because it will be useful for all branches, right? All branches questions I'll be doing, if you just observe, okay? 2013 we have solved, no? 2013 GATE. This is a ME question, sorry, C, civil engineering question only, right? What is that? You can say a number is as much greater than this is 75 as it is smaller than 117, right? So as much greater than once, as much greater than means, right? What is the meaning of this as much greater? You can say a number is as much greater than this is 75, right? As much greater than this 75 means how much higher than 75, right? What is that? How much higher than 75? This is by this much. As much greater means this much greater than 75, na? So this number is this much greater than 75 or not? This much greater than 75. So x is this much greater than 75. And how much is smaller than 115? You can say it is smaller than 117, right? How much is smaller than 117? So 117 minus x, that x is which? This much is smaller than this 115, na? So this much is smaller than this 115, right? Both are same, na? It is how much lesser, it is how much greater than 75, so that much lesser than 117, right? So means the difference is same, na? The difference is same, na? Yes or no? So x minus 75 is equal to that 117 minus this x. So then what is that x value will be getting from here, everyone? What is that x value will be getting? So this 2, what is that x value will be getting, everyone? X value comes to be this 96, na? So 96 means that which option it comes to be? That option D will be the correct answer, na, everyone? Right. So now I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Fourth question, I'll be starting the timer. So all of you try to answer this. Write the question number and answer. Anyone? Answered all of you? Right. Shall I solve? Right. I will be solving this, all of you. So what is that given in the question? If you just observe the sum of, this is your 2014 EC, right? ECE and mechanical engineering, right? For both it is given. The sum of 8 consecutive odd numbers is 656. The average of this 4 consecutive even numbers is 87. What is the sum of this smallest odd and this second largest even number, right? Smallest odd number and this is second largest even number, you can say, right? So what is the sum of these 8 odd numbers? You can say 8 consecutive odd numbers is what? What is that 8 consecutive odd numbers? 8 consecutive odd numbers, if you just observe, right? What is that? You can say a plus 2. So sum of, right? 8 sum of 8 consecutive odd numbers, right? A plus 2 plus which one? This is a plus 4 plus which one? This is a plus 6, isn't it? Plus what is that? You can say that is your a plus 6 is a plus 6, a plus 8 plus what is that? You can say a plus 10 plus what is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 na. So a plus 12 plus which one is a plus 14, right? 8, right? So what is this summation given in the question, right? Sum of this 8 consecutive odd numbers is given as 656, right? 656, right? So then tell me this a value, if you just observe. So therefore that 8a will be equal to 8a plus 56, right? 8a plus this 56 will be equal to how much, you can say? 656, right? So 8a will be equal to that 600. So then what is that? A will be equal to, a is nothing but your 75 na, everyone. A is nothing but your 75, if you just observe, right? A is nothing but your 75, right? Everyone got this answer? A is nothing but your 75, right? So therefore what is that given? What is it given if you just observe sum of the smallest odd number, right? What is the smallest odd number, you can say? The smallest odd number will be equal to which one, everyone? That is your a na. So that is a. A will be equal to that is 75 you are getting, right? And what is the next part of this question? You can say if you just observe, right? What is the next part of the question here? The average of this 4 consecutive even numbers is 87, right? 4 consecutive even numbers, right? Sum of this 4 consecutive even numbers, right? What is the sum of this 4 consecutive even numbers, if you just observe? What is the sum of the 4 consecutive numbers, if you just observe it? Let us say that can we take b plus 2 plus which one? That b plus 4 plus which one? 1 2 3 4 consecutive numbers na, that is your b plus 6, right? It is equal to which one? It is equal to which one? What is it given? The average, right? Average of this 4 consecutive numbers is 87, right? Average means divided by this 4 will come na. Average of this 4 consecutive numbers is which one? This 87 comes to be picture. So now tell me what is that b you will be getting, everyone? Just calculate that b value, all of you. What is that b comes to be? What is the b comes to be, anyone? Tell me that b value. Average of this, so average, right? Sigma by this 4, right? Summation divided by this 4 is nothing but your average of this 4 consecutive numbers now. So I'll write that average here, that is better. Otherwise, calculate that b value, everyone. Average of this 4 consecutive even numbers, right? This is what? How much is that b value, anyone getting? B value, anyone? How much you are getting? 84 na. 84 na. And what is the given? Smallest odd number and second largest even number, right? What is that second largest even number, you can say if you just observe? second largest even number, right? What is the second largest even number if you just observe everyone? What is the second largest even number? Second largest even number is nothing but, you are right, second largest even number is nothing but your b plus 4 na, b plus 4, right? What is your b plus 4? You can say that is your 84 plus 4, right? 84 plus 4 is nothing but your 88, you can say, right? So what is that asked summation in the question? What is that asked sum? Asked summation is equal to which one? So what is that asked summation? You can say everyone. So smallest odd number na, yes or no? Smallest odd number and second largest even number, right? What is the smallest odd number? 75. Second largest even number is 88, right? What is that? You can say that is your 75 plus this 88 comes to be how much? You can say 163. It will be all of you, right? 163. Is there any option? So this is a numerical answer type question na. So 163 will be the answer, you can say, right? So this is your numerical answer type question if you just observe, right? This is your fourth question, you can say, right? Now, so shall I move on to this fifth question, all of you? Solve this everyone. Fifth question, all of you. Fifth question, everyone. This is GATE 2014 question, ECE and mechanical, right? ECE and mechanical given question, okay? 2 marks question in set 4. Previous one is given in which set? You can say previous one is given in the set 2, ECE and mechanical, okay? Sorry, yeah, I did not start this timer now. Okay, I'll start the timer. Solve this. Yeah, forgot to start the timer. So alternate days, right? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, these classes will be there, okay? Until all PYQs are completed, okay? From all branches of engineering. Almost some 500 questions, 520, 530 questions are there. We'll do all these questions, don't worry, okay? So that what will happen? Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. I'll solve this, don't worry. You try. If you're not getting, we'll solve. Don't worry. I'll be solving. Right? I'm here for solving only, no? Yes or no? I'm here for solving only or not? Solve this, everyone. Everybody got the answer or not? Right. So here, what is that given if you just observe a 5-digit number is formed, right? There is a 5-digit number, you can say, right? A 5-digit number is formed by using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 without repeating any of them, right? Are you repeating the numbers or we are not repeating the numbers? We are not repeating the numbers now, right? Without repeating any number, we are forming if you just observe, right? So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what is the sum of all such possible 5-digit numbers, you can say? What is the summation of all such possible numbers if you just observe? So total how many such kind of numbers will be there if you just observe everyone? Total how many such kind of numbers will be there, every one of you? How many such kind of numbers are there, everyone? Total 5 factorial you can get it as no 5 digit number is formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, right? So total how many possible numbers we are having if you just observe? How many possible numbers you are having? At units place, right? At units place, how many numbers? Sorry, at this units place, so total 5 places are there, na? So 5 digit number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here, how many numbers we can place, everyone? If you just observe, either you can go from the left side or right side. Here, how many numbers possible to place? Here, 5 numbers are possible to place, na? So 5 numbers are possible to place now. Out of these given numbers, that 5 numbers are possible to place now. And in the second, repetition is there or repetition is not there. Repetition is not there means, right, what you can understand? Repetition is not there means, so suppose if one number out of this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, out of this one number is already utilized, we cannot utilize that number now. Remaining 4 numbers only we can utilize, right? So how many numbers are possible to place in the second place of this digit? Only 4 are possible now. So 4 are possible, right? Because so the first number which is already used, we cannot use it again. And in this place, what is that you can say? Already these 2 numbers are used, means remaining how many numbers are possible? The 3 numbers are possible to place in this this digit now, third place now. And already 3 numbers are used, means, right, out of this why remaining how many are possible to use? We can use only 2 numbers are possible to use, right? And already 4 numbers are used here. So remaining how many number is possible to use at this place? Only 1 number is possible to use at this place, right? Because remaining all 4 are used now. So now tell me what is the total number of possibilities? It is nothing but your 5 factorial. And what is the 5 factorial? You can say 120 ways you can get it if you just observe, right? How many ways you are getting, everyone? Total 120 ways you will be getting now, everyone. Total 120 ways you can place is now. 120 ways means 120 numbers you can get it, huh? So total how many numbers you are getting? 120 ways are nothing but your 120 numbers, right? So now tell me, is it possible to calculate the summation of this 120 numbers? So first, if you start identifying this 120 number itself will be very much difficult, na? Identifying the 120 numbers itself will be very much difficult or not? Yes, right? Then what we need to do? What is it? What we need to do then we have to go for this shortcut calculation. Yes or no? 120 numbers are formed, right? We cannot add this 120. First, we cannot identify this 120 numbers easily. So identifying itself is difficult. Then we have to go for which one? This summation register, right? How can you identify? You can say every digit comes how many times in units place? You can say, everyone. Every digit comes in units place in how many times? You can say, everyone. Every digit comes in units place how many times? You can say. Every digit comes in how many place? You can say, right? This is your 120 na. So 120, 5 numbers are only there, right? Those 5 numbers only will come, means, right? So 120 divided by this 5 is how much, everyone? That 120 divided by this 5, how much it comes to be? 24 na. So total 120 locations, right? 120 ways, right? Therefore 120 divided by 120 for which one? This is all 5 digits na. All 5 digits you can say. And each digit, right, you can say 120 divided by this 5 is equal to 24, right? What is it? It comes to be, that means this implies, right, what is it? You can say each number comes in units place for how many times? Each number comes in units place for how much time? Each number comes in units place for how many time? You can say units place for 24 times, right? 24 times, isn't it? And each number comes, right? Each number comes in which one? This tens place also. How much time? You can say each number comes in a tens place also. This 24 times now. 24 times only it will come, right? Each number comes in this hundreds place. What is that? You can say this is 5 digit now. So hundreds place, how many times it will come? Each number hundreds place, it will come to be this 24 times, right? Each number comes in this thousands place, thousands place, everyone, if you just observe. it also each number comes in this 24 times, right? And each number comes in this 10,000s place. How many times? That 24 times it comes to be like that now. So is that point clear, everyone? This point clear, everyone, all of you? Is this point clear, all of you? Is this point clear, everyone? Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Everyone, it is clear this point? If this point is clear, then tell me, we'll try to proceed further. Is this point clear, all of you? Is this point clear, everyone? Each number comes in each and every location for how much amount of times, right? Is this clear? Hello, somebody clear now? So now, what is that a summation you can say if you just observe? Therefore, that a summation you can consider here. What is that a summation? You can say that a sum will be equal to 24 times it will come na. 24 times it will come. And in units place, what is that? 1 plus 3 plus 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 into units place, right? Multiply 1 into units place, right? And same 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 will comes in the tens place also, no? It will come in the tens place, means you multiply with the 10, right? Means 10. So plus it will come in the thousands place now. So what is that? You can say 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, in which you, so this will come in this 24 times. This will come in hundreds place now, hundreds place, right? Plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, this comes in which one? 24 times. It will, the same numbers will come in which one? This thousands place, you can say. Plus what is that? You can say that is your 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So that 24 times it will come in which one? This is a 10,000s place, right? 10,000s location, right? Then what is that summation? Calculate, all of you. Then what is the summation? You can say, all of you. So that is equal to, you just keep quiet, right? 24 you keep it, right? 24 you keep it like this, right? What is that? You can say 10,000. Sorry, 24 you keep it, right? What is that? You can say, everyone, one sec. 10,000. And what else will come if you just observe? 1 plus, if you just take this common, right? What is that? You can take common. 1 plus which one? 1 plus, sorry, 10 plus 100 plus. So don't simplify that sincerely. 100 plus which one? This is 1000 plus which one? 10,000, right? Into what is that? You can say that comes to be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So what is that? It comes to be, if you just observe, that is your 24 into, what is that? 24 into this value, right? So what is that? You can say 1 1 1 1 1 na. So no, 5 digit na. 1 2 3 4. How many you can say? 1 2 3. So this is 10,001, and sorry, this is 1000. Okay, 3 digits are there, 4 digits, no, 5 digits, right? Into what is that? You can say, so 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 20 25 it will come, right? So finally this is the value, right? Solve this, everyone. How much you are getting, all of you? Solve this, everyone. How much you will be getting finally? What is the final value? Yeah, what is the final value? 5 6s and this is 0 value, no? Yes or no? 5 6s and this is 0 value or not? Yes, so 5 6s and this is 0 value, you can say, right? So which option? 5 6s and this is 0 value means, right? Which option is correct, all of you? 5 6s and this is 0 value means, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6s and this 0 value. Option B is correct, right? Is it clear now, everyone? Is it clear, all of you? Right. So this is a 2014 question, right? So with this 2010 to 2014 will be over. Next question will be 2016. So it is better we'll complete this question and we'll close the session. Okay, shall we complete this and close the session, all of you? Yes, we'll complete this question and close the session, so that 2014 2010 to 2014 questions will be over, right? I am starting the timer. Solve this, all of you. 2010 to 2014 will be over. Okay, tomorrow we'll be doing 2016. Others will do. Means 2015 there is no question from this numbers part. Okay, that is the meaning of, you can understand. Over? Right. So how can you solve this question, everyone? If you just observe, you can say, all of you, consider the equation at 7526 to the base 8 and minus y to the base 8 is equal to 4364 to the base 8, right? So where that x base n is what? X stands for x to the base n, right? Find out this y. So how can you find out? I think it will take more time. Okay, we'll close this session otherwise, right? We'll close this session and we'll do it in tomorrow's class, okay? We'll close this session and we'll do it in tomorrow's class, okay? Because it will take a lot of time. Already 10 o'clock over now. So 9:55 comes to be. So we'll close this session, right? So if you wanted to join our Telegram channel or group, you just scan this and you'll be getting it, okay? So all of you subscribe to this, press the bell icon and you'll be getting the PDF in the community, right? So in my community, all of you are following, if you are following my profile, just go to that community in that Unacademy app. There you'll be finding that PDF, right? PDF of this one you can say, right? So all of you like, share and comment, you can say, all of you, right? Thank you. Have a good day. We'll solve that in tomorrow's class because that will take a lot of time now. Okay, thank you. Thank you.